Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name's Dawson and today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. So this does come with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, produces 203 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds of torque. This does also come with the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. So you've got your blind spot monitoring, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert. You've got the backup camera as well, so it's got a lot of really nice safety features on it. You do have the 17-inch steel rims there. Let's take a look at the inside. Alright, so here on the passenger side, as you can see, we've got really nice premium cloth seats, which are very comfortable, and both driver and passenger are heated in the front as well. A really well thought out dash here. Really like the styling. Blends together really nicely. Let's take a look at the back. Alright, here in the back, and the same thing. Really nice seating arrangement for people in the back seat. We do have the armrest and cup holders there as well, and then we've also got a power supply down at the bottom, some slots here if you need to put any items in the back. Let's take a look at the rear. All right, and here we are on the back. So as you can tell, you've got the 60-40 split there for the bench seat. So the back seats fold down, which gives you even more room. There's already quite a bit of room here in the back without even folding the seats down. So if you got kids that can play sports, or you're looking to do an extra big grocery shop at Costco or something, Toyota's got you covered. And at the same time, we've also got multiple sets of mats there for the different seasons, so your interior can stay nice and clean. Alright, so here we are on the driver's side. I'm just going to make the interior portion of this video fairly quick. If you guys do have any additional questions, or you'd like to learn more about the RAV, then 100% I would suggest that you come down to Thousand Islands Toyota and either take one for a test drive or just sit inside one. So we do have our gauges with the multi-information display. I'm just going to quickly show you guys. So you have your lane tracing assist and your dynamic radar cruise control there. You've got your all-wheel drive settings along with the trip distance. This is your Toyota Safety Sense settings. So your lane trace assist, pre-collision system, your blind spot monitoring, the rear parking aid. We do also have any messages that pop up if you've got low tires, or if you need an oil change or maintenance. We've got the digital speedometer along with the average and your distance to empty. So this also does have auto high beams. We've also got the wiper de-icers, and then you have your illumination there on the side for your dash. We do also have the infotainment setup, so this is a nice 7-inch touchscreen. We've also got the physical buttons on the side along with the tuning knobs on both sides, and like I said before, it is also touchscreen, so a really nice blend of features there. This does also have access to AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay, which is really nice as well. We've got our 4-ways. We have our climate control system. I still really am a big fan of the rubber big knobs that they use here. They look kind of cool, a little sporty, and at the same time, it's really easy just to quickly do that. It's just got a lot of grip on it, so it's really nice. And then, like I said, we do have our heated seats in the front, our traction control. We also do have the USB down there for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then we've got the 120 watt power supply there. So we've got the leather wrap shifter. We've also got the different drive modes. I know there has been people that have been asking about the parking brake. So normally we're used to having a stick here. That's changed now. This is the actual parking brake. So when it's engaged, you'll see it has a red light on it. So all you need to do is just press in the brake and then just push down, and you'll actually hear it disengage. And then in order to turn it on, literally just press in the brake and press up, and then turns itself on. We've also got a couple cup holders, and then we do have the center console here that has a good amount of space for whatever you need. So there you have it, folks. There's the 2020 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. This is a fantastic vehicle. Lots of space on the interior, very comfortable, and a good amount of features. So lots of value here for the price for sure, and it's definitely something you guys should come down here and check out. So come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.